Gold investing for dummies. When starting to invest in gold, you should consider how much initial capital you have and the level of risk that you are comfortable taking. While most gold options don't require active time or much prep work, others require more preparation and due diligence. Regardless of your experience level, there is a Gold Investing for Dummies guide that will help you make the right investment. Here are the brief overview of the different options available. The first step in investing in gold is deciding which type of ownership you're comfortable with. There are several methods to consider, but the best strategy is to buy stocks in royalty or streaming companies. These methods allow you to leverage your investment, boosting profits or increasing losses. As with any other investment, you need to consider other factors, such as the risks and returns that these options may present. The best option for you will depend on your goals and risk tolerance. Once you've made the decision to buy gold, you'll need to protect it. Purchasing coins and bars can be difficult and time-consuming. Furthermore, selling your gold is difficult, especially when the value fluctuates so rapidly. However, you can take advantage of gold futures, which give you the opportunity to speculate on the future price of the metal. Despite the difficulty of selling your gold, you can benefit from the physical delivery of futures. Purchasing physical gold is a smart way to diversify your portfolio. ETFs and mutual funds that deal with gold are not specifically focused on gold. You may be better off choosing a fund that has a broad spectrum of investments. If you want to diversify your investments, look for a fund that deals in gold as well as other assets. You can also find a mutual fund that is specifically aimed at diversifying investments. It also explains the various financial products and vehicles used to invest in gold. If you don't have the time to learn about the intricacies of buying and selling gold, you can use these products and learn how to properly balance risk and maximize your profit potential. Unlike stocks, gold is also a great asset to diversify your portfolio. It is an excellent choice for people who are looking for an investment with a high rate of return. In addition to buying physical gold, you can also invest in gold coins and ETFs. As long as you are aware of the process, you can easily get started with this asset class. Moreover, this course will also help you diversify your portfolio, by increasing the amount of risk you take and adjusting your profit potential. In addition, you can even buy mining companies to diversify your investment portfolio. Visit CarenGoldman.com to learn more.